So today I'm gonna be showing you guys my top 5 pickups so far for the year 2023. What I'm challenging everybody to do right now down below in the comment section is let me know what are some of y'all favorite pickups this year, top 5, top 10. Cause I know there's a couple people out there that have probably already copped 20 pairs of sneakers. So I'm very interested in seeing just your top 5 pickups so far of 2023. Today's video is sponsored by BLACKTAILOR. I know you guys have been seeing me do a lot of clothing hauls, unboxing and stuff like that from them. We've been rocking out for a couple of years now, and they always giving back to the vintage squad by giving y'all that 10% discount code, which is real the vintage 10. And I always get, you know what I'm saying, some of the hottest products. I try them on and show you guys, let you know exactly what they are. And they sent over quite a few items for your boy to try on, what you're going to do right now in today's video. So the first one they sent over is the X3 cargo pants. And this is the black colorway. I always go true to size, which is size 34, and I highly recommend you guys to go with that true to size. Very good quality, nice stretch fit on the waistband, and like pretty much all the cargo pants that I do have for them I've had for years. So it's super durable. You can rock one of a lot of different outfits, and I wasn't too fond of rocking cargo pants, but once I started copping things from BLACKTAILOR, hey, I was like, yo, I'm definitely about to be rocking these, man. So the first one is the black X3 cargo pants, and I also got the same X3 cargo pants in a size 34 as well, which is a brown colorway. Really like how they fit, really like how they looking, kind of switching it up. My go-to by far is the black cargo pants that they do have to offer, and all types of different styles and designs that they have. Next, we have the X2 cargos. This is in the black colorway, kind of more of a slimmer fit, more of a lightweight material. Like I said, they sent over a couple of jackets and a vest, which I'm gonna show you guys right now. So the first one is a utility pocket vest hoodie. This is in a great colorway. This is how the tag looks. This is how the presentation comes. You're getting that top quality for a very, very reasonable price. And also got 2 of their newer drawstring shackets, and I got them in a size medium. Like I told you guys, go with your true size. You don't got to go up half size, down half size. That true to size medium fits me very, very well. And I got it in a black colorway, and also got it in a brown colorway as well. So I'm gonna show them all to you guys. You guys let me know which ones you rocking out with, and make sure you're using that code real da vintage 10, save you 10% of your entire order. Oh man, so like I said, I only picked out top 5. You know, I copped more than 5 sneakers this year, and I must say, man, your boy's been copping some heat, and I can't wait to show y'all which one my top 5 are for the year as far as pickups in 2023. So we got to start off right, got to start off OG, a classic colorway. This is Air Jordan 13 playoffs, man. These right here, this is a sneaker I kind of showed you guys, or told y'all when I first seen them when I worked at Champ Sports back in like 2017. I seen my manager, the store manager, had these on. I said, yo, what are those? I wasn't too hip on all the colorways in 2015. I was still kind of gradually working my way into copping sneakers, adding to the sneaker collection, and y'all see where we at today. But here we have it, the playoff Air Jordan 13, super clean. I think we even did like a little quick debate between these and the He Got Games, because pretty much the only difference is the He Got Games is all white, and then the playoffs are all black on the upper. But this iconic sneaker, he did some crazy things in this exact playoff Air Jordan 13, and it's definitely hold his own weight. You rock these joints, everybody gonna know you got a classic on your feet, and this is by far one of my favorite pickups this year in 2023. Super clean. I can't wait to get a decent fit out of them. I really ain't been going nowhere recently, but I do know here in the near future I'm definitely be stepping out in these things. Hopefully I can get a double up for a very, very reasonable price, because these are currently still sitting on the Nike sneakers app, which is very crazy to me. So here you have it, Air Jordan 13 playoffs, one of my top 5 pickups of this year in 2023. You guys let me know what you think about it. And then next, you guys see the box, super crazy SB. And if you haven't watched my video, I think I dropped it back in February. I copped one of my grails from StockX, and these are the Nike SB Dunk Low concept orange lobsters. Super, super dope. You guys know they did come with the bands, which I took off because I seen some pictures on Twitter, I believe, and somebody had their band on for a very, very long time, and it started to leave like that imprint of, you know, the band being around it. I really didn't like that feel. I didn't really like how that looked, so I hurried up and took them off, just stuck them inside on my sneakers right here, and I have not pulled these out yet. I can't wait to pull them out. Probably step out like one of these upcoming sneaker events or something like that. Super dope colorway. I'm going to pull the other one out. You got some extra laces with these. You got some turquoise and of course orange laces with the white joints already equipped. Super clean. Something that you guys don't see behind me. Got these things on ice for a reason, but definitely gonna be rocking them here in the near future. I know these did not release in 2023, but this is one of my most recent pickups, and definitely a top 5 pickup for your boy the Vintage this year, man. All right, you guys already knew it was coming. The sneaker of the year, it has to be on my top 5, right? Like I said, this is no order, just something I was like, yo, what can I show the Vintage Squad? Something I've been thinking about, and I really want to know what you guys' top 5 pickups are, because there's been a lot of heat dropping and a lot of different, mixed, feelings about certain releases, especially these Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. So a lot of people said these are not the sneaker of the year. People said something else. People said these are trash due to the quality control issues. And if y'all don't know, I don't know if you can see behind me, but your boy doubled up on the White Cement Reimagined just because I cannot wait to beat these things up. I can't wait to get some dope fits out of them. And I'm always have a clean, crispy pair on ice. That's what I did with my Carmines. That's what we did with the Fire Reds, and we definitely got to do it with the reimagined Air Jordan 3s. I think it's like a no-brainer, at least top 5 for a lot of people, but for me, this right now is my sneaker of the year, man. Next, we have a very interesting sneaker, just because when I told you guys these are my grills, a lot of people didn't agree with me, and I want to know what y'all definition of a grill is. My definition of a grill is like a sneaker that you always wanted, that's probably hard to obtain, and I don't know, that's just pretty much the sum of what I think a grill is. But what do y'all saying a grill is? Because a lot of people said these shouldn't have been my grill, but it's definitely one of my grill sneakers. We have the Zoom Generation Braun 1s. Check these bad boys out right here. Super clean, super nostalgic, and this is like the Jordan 1 of LeBron. You know what I mean? This is the LeBron 1. I definitely do think when he does retire, he starts retroing some of these colorways, start mixing up, giving us some, other colorways like Jordan Brand is doing with Jordan 1s. Then maybe the respect for these will go up. But it's just, this has classic written all over it, man. I remember sitting in front of the TV screen watching Brown hooping these joints specifically, and I always had wanted a pair, and we finally have them in the collection. This is a shoe that I probably won't wear for a little minute just because I really love the sneaker. You know what I mean? It's not better than the Carmines, which is my favorite shoe of all time, but it's definitely up there. You know what I'm saying? Definitely up there. I'm a huge LeBron fan. Love what he did for the game. I love what he's doing for the community as well, man. So here you have it. One of my favorite pickups this year in 2023. Y'all go ahead and dab me down below in the comments. Hey, I really don't care. And last but not least, all hype aside, you know what I'm saying? All hype aside, these definitely I had to pick these bad boys up. I said, you know what? I don't care if I got to pay resale or not. I was lucky enough that the homie Sneaker Fiends hooked your boy up, and we have a pair of Air Jordan 4. Let me turn that brightness down real quick. Hold on. Turn that brightness down just a second. We have the Air Jordan 4 SB, you know what I'm saying? SB Jordan 4 pine green colorway. You probably won't see this for a very long time to come, but I did see that there are rumors that we're going to be getting the Black Cat Air Jordan 4 SBs, which is gonna be a dope shoe. It's gonna be super hyped up, probably gonna be super hard to obtain, but I already got the regular Black Cat 4s. So hey, these right here definitely gonna be on my top 10, especially if they're in the top 5, unless maybe the cherries knock them out of the way, or like, you know what I'm saying, some other of those dope colorways that we are scheduled to get this year in 2023. But where y'all rack and stack these joints, I know this is a very hype colorway. They just released. Everybody's still trying to obtain a pair, but I want to see what you guys thinking down below in the comment section. My top 5 so far this year in 2023, man. I appreciate everybody for tapping in. Quick little wrap up showing you guys, the top 5 best for your boy so far. I know some other colorways that done dropped, some other sneakers. It was a couple of them I was like, damn, should I put these in top 5? But no, this is what I came to the conclusion with. So you guys drop your comments, your thoughts about your top 5 pickups this year for 2023. And if you're new to the channel, man, sub up right now, hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content that we dropping, and please leave a huge like on today's video. I can't wait to read you guys comments. I can't wait to see y'all run them likes up. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.